Hey. Thursday today. Probably gonna not work tomorrow. Ease back into the working. So, I made this thing called the asset tool. And yesterday after the stream, I absolutely went bananas and made it go crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna make more stuff. String doesn't matter. Get enol. I'm just terrible at typing today. My hands just don't type words. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to unwrap. I was thinking of getting rid of these stupid configs. Cause like, just arguments for the most part. I guess if they name this stuff. So there is that. Yeah. CLI dot unwrap. Yerp. And then and then should I clone it? Oh, Tommy, did you look at any of the code that I wrote? It's probably a bit much because I posted it as one big thingy. Oh, you did look. Yeah, I really learned a lot. But it's because everything makes sense. So like as I'm gaining Rust experience, I'm going, oh, now I know about this. That's what I use for it to behave like this. Okay, so some of the things I was thinking of was to write the files multi-threaded, because it's making a bunch of Roblox files, which is slow, and then writing them, which is slow. So I think that is a bottleneck. Should I lifetime this? This is a new one every time, isn't it? Yeah. I'm just thinking so hard about things that are not worth thinking about at all. All right, let's stop thinking about it. Oh no, my 0.06 nanoseconds. Oh, clone. Oh no, it's cloning the data. Oh, it's making a copy of the 17 bytes. Oh, that 17 bytes is being copied. Oh no. Anyways. Actually, do I need it to live long? Is that going to be an issue? Why is it stir? It's wacky. Okay. Oh, does it? Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, I see. Okay, so it just kind of like does its thing and then it's done and then it doesn't need it anymore. So the lifetime is not an issue. Hello. I really want it to be a stir. Whatever. Need to become a ruster, dude. You like got in. Like this is I just copied your code here. Like I changed it a bit. You are new to Rust, but yeah. I would not have done this if you hadn't written that code. Mm. Yes. Okay. Okay, I added name and email, and I have managed to screw it up. Is it 1 or 2 M's? Okay, so this is I'm tweaking right now. Go here. Why didn't that open? There we go. So this is oh, can you get the defaults? Yeah, I won't do that. See? Like, refactoring in Rust is so nice. Like, this plumbing, I started at the top and, like, expressed my intention. And then it's compiler errors all the way down that point out where the things you need to edit are after you express your intention. And you literally cannot make mistakes. It does not let you forget to change something. So good. And then just, like, that's so bad. Like, right, you forget to change something while refactoring it, and that just sits in your code for years, and then it's a bug some other time. But not with Rust. Rust. Okay. I'm not super in love with this feature to rename things. Because, like, it's renaming things. Like, you don't want that. But I don't know what else to do. Like, otherwise it just breaks. Or, like, it cannot continue. You know what I could do? Okay, so I can make it so you're not allowed to have the scripts of the same name. Which may not work for some projects, but grow up. Name your scripts differently. But for models, the name is inside the model. So I can just actually do this and not have to change anything. Okay. I'm shocked that this stuff works. Actually, this could benefit the game as well. It might actually load faster. Wait, do I have the Deflate 2 in Strafe Client? Like, the code is smaller and better and faster. Whoa. It's snowing! Very white outside. Mostly because of fog. Okay, so my idea was... Right, I just wanted to optimize it because I thought it'd be fun. Okay, so... Yeah. So I'm going to make this async function. And then... Oh dear. gonna have to do it here as well. Oops. Did I do it? Oh. Oh. Async is pretty weird. I feel like it could have been written more like other structures. Like, just make this a function. I don't know. It's weird. Very weird. I've seen online videos claiming that async Rust is a whole different beast. And it's like a bad language even. Especially when compared to how good it is to write Rust normally. Normal. Ah! This thing seems really cool. So this is a HTTP response. And it's implemented as an async iterator over bytes. Which I think means that you could read the document as it's downloading. These things are also implemented with the read trait. So like you can have it as a big chain of reads where right here in this function, this function right here, no way. This thing tries to read, and then because this is a thing that's readable, it could be any number of things. So here it's just reading a file from the disk, but here it's reading something readable. And in this case, this thing is a zip folder or like gzip decoder. So then it tries to read the gzip decoder. The gzip decoder reads the underlying bytes, and as it needs them, it calculates, it decompresses. Which, like, that's pretty cool, right? And then in this case, it's just some bytes, and it just reads the bytes. But unfortunately, I do believe this is actually buffered. So it's not directly reading the bytes as they come through, which is very sad. Also, I don't know how to start immediately, because I think what's going on from what I saw in your screenshots, this is running 32 futures and then running this. But like, if I get rid of this, it's like, expected signature, async block, found signature, function result. Huh? Yeah, I don't get it. Did I do the thing? Okay, so I can't just say, Tokyo! Write the files, Tokyo! Or can I? I have to like collect everybody after everything is finished. I also have to like I guess, okay, so push folder runs before any of the child objects. So all I really need to do is collect all the async file writes in a big pile. This is the only thing that needs to be done synchronously. Oh, I skipped. Okay. Right. I was also thinking of changing the way it works. Oh, I jumped straight into the async. May as well make it async, right? So properties file. So what I'm thinking is I have a big list of futures. Why don't I look that up? Tokyo wait on list of futures. Tokyo join all. Oof. So literally I just loop it and say, hey, join, and then it's like this. Okay. So this thing just like sends a bunch of futures without polling them. And then when the loop finishes, it's made the folder structure, and then it starts polling the futures all at once. I feel like I need some sort of like thing to like do it though. Yeah. Okay, so oh, that's annoying. This isn't async. This isn't async. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I guess I can. Yeah, no, I actually can't. I mean, this is pretty small, so it can just like take a long time. Ideally I add it to my Okay, let big ol list of futures. New vector. And then basically the ones I want to do in order, I do like this. And then the ones which I don't care and can happen in any order after the folder structure is created, I just pop it into the list. Okay. I guess I'll do this like that as well. The question mark. I guess I can't do that. It's okay. Oh no. Oh no. This is not in the future. But I guess it's an async function, so it's already fine. Okay, but then it can't do that because of that. Oh. Oh no. This is not async. But it's right there. Okay, so I don't understand what's going on, but it might still work anyways. Because this is as an async function, so it won't run until I pull the whole list of functions. And even though it's not a Tokyo FS write, it will still be in parallel with threads, I think. Maybe. Because I wrote the word async here. Async. Right, I am. Oh no. stdio error. Isn't it supposed to be some other error? Okay, can I say... Didn't I say like this? Like, well, you're smoking. Map error. STDIO error. Can I just like reach in and mangle that? What the hell did that say? Output equals. Dying. Okay. I could instead. Oh, no, but I want to. Okay, I guess I just wrap it in some dummy function here. I guess I do that. Surely I can do like this, right? Why? Is that... Oops. I don't understand. Okay, so that's an async block. What is this? That looks great. Why can't this one do like that? Here's the thing. Does it steal it? Yes. File is path buff. You good? What? Why? Why? They're both like that. Uh-huh. How? Oh, good. Okay, I'm just gonna undo, and we're gonna do the properties file just in line, because apparently doesn't like to be bad. Oh. Okay, so go like this. Dot wait, question mark, you're done. Mutable borrow? What are you smoking? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So I can solve this by not calling this function at all. So I just like say, oh, I want to do this. Um, so instead of a list of futures, we'll do so it's like write queue kind of, and then instead of actually calling write item, we do. Man, I want to like start as early as possible, but like I think I need to modify the tree first and make it beautiful. Wait. I'm deleting it. Okay, things just got async. Crap! Oh my god! Oh. Man. Okay, so problem here is that I'm destroying objects from the DOM. Are you allowed to just like unparent and have like floating objects? Probably not. No way. Destroy transfer. Oh, into a new. Ooh. Oh. I'm gonna heat this. I think I have an idea. is crazy outside. You see out the back window as well? Can you see the snow particles? It is crazy. I can already see the snow collecting on various rooftops. It snows around here a lot. This is the first day of snow this year, or this winter. Woo! Man, I was swirling my coffee a bit and I jumped out. Hasn't stopped. Dang. Okay. You can't see anything on my screen. I think the plan is to transfer to a new thingamabobber. Oh. This is probably still faster. You can't have multiple root instances. So I'm thinking I like shuffle the tree around in a fast way. And then it becomes immutable. And then I write everything. Okay, so what if I move everything to the root element? What is that? Is that slow? Retain. Okay, this is like O(n) squared. Very, very difficult. Meh. Okay, so the moving of objects is probably not that slow, right? Because like parenting it to the given ref. Yeah, okay, this function will be called moved, but it's a Rust keyword. XD. Refers to the root instance. You cannot remove the root instance. Mm-hmm. Okay, it copies the refs. Bye-bye. Breadth first. Adoption is complete. Okay, so it does copy all the child elements, so it is going through the entire tree structure, but notably that does not include the properties. And it's not copying or moving the data itself, probably. I would prefer to do transfer within, because then it actually does not, it doesn't have to go through all the child elements. Okay, what would be wrong with putting everything under the root? Right. It's because of this. That is O of n squared. So either, yeah, no, that doesn't, it's not good. What if I look at these functions? Okay, inner insert. What do you got? Insert no loop. Okay. Contains beautiful. Insert beautiful. Oh, oops. Transfer. Inner remove. Remove. Hash map. Beautiful. 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 Okay, so that looks fast. So I think I'm going to make a new DOM. At least for the Roblox scripts. Ooh. Models. Like it's O of N, single threaded, but it's not writing files or converting to XML, single threaded. Man, it's because I'm editing this DOM. RAID. Where's the RAID notification? Oh, is it not here yet? Where's the notification, Twitch? Got banned. Live on Discord. Ah, banned on Twitch? Why? I see. Well done. I am struggling with async Rust. Mutable and immutable variables. I'm trying to make my thing that generates Git history from place file history. I'm trying to make it cooler and better. But it's hard. So the way it worked before was I have this write files function and it just goes through and it's like, all right, we're going to start at the root node. So like the root reference, whatever that is, start there. And then it iterates on that. It's like, cool, this is the node. What's inside? And it like decides what to do with it. Is it a script, module script, whatever? And then it makes a subfolder directory if it needs to, and then writes whatever data was in the thing. So like if it's a script, it'll write the source, or if it's a model, it'll create a model file. And then it prepares instructions to go through. It has a stack because you can't use recursion because it's too deep. So I have a stack to queue jobs of how to go through the child objects. So it's complicated to begin with. But the issue here is I am destroying the objects inside the tree so that when I write the template at the bottom, What if I just delay this? What happens? Because you can't have a model inside of a model. I might be onto something here. So if I don't edit the DOM, I think I'm onto something here. Okay, so this is only. Yeah, okay, so let destroy q equals a vectorg. Okay, and then we go, please destroy this man. Destroy him. Destroy. Later. Push. See how the errors disappeared? All right. That's annoying. And then what happened? Is you do like this. Destroy, 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 destroy. Destroy. Because the stuff hasn't been abominated yet. Okay, so it's the borrow is here. Oh, wow, Rust is so smart. Okay, so like I'm borrowing it here. It's going into a list. It will be something will happen at some point. It's supposed to happen here, but I haven't written that code yet. So it's going like, you borrowed it. You can't destroy it. Holy. How's the game going? I just started again. I made a thing to load BSP files, like source engine files. So I now have the only program in the world that loads both Roblox files and source files. No way. Actually, I don't know. Actually, maybe that's not the only one in the world. In the world. Okay, so this is complaining about the lifetime. Why is this not a problem here? All right, so we do not care. I'm just going to clone. And then on the inside, we can just like have it and it's there. Aim override string sanitize something or other. All right, so now I need to actually run the write queue, which is actually a list of futures right now. Tokyo. Task. Futures. I don't know. Okay. Surely there's... Oh. 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 Oh, that looks useful. I was trying to do that before. Oh, that's pretty cool. Tokyo join list. Please. Join all. Iterator. Join all. Okay, what in the tarnation is this? He say unused join all that must be used. Okay. Dot await. Oh, vec result. Oh, the goodness gracious. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll do for result in this list. Result. Done. Notice there's no error here anymore. Okay, so I think I've done it. I've done it. So now the idea is it goes through the tree using a stack, and it's like, oh, I'm going to want to write a file like this. And it also says, I'm going to want to delete this thing before I write the template. So it doesn't do a whole lot. It is writing this properties file and making these directories single-threaded. It's async, but like it's a chain of operations. So that's bad, but there's not a whole lot. So it's not a big problem. and then it does all of those job, and then it does all of those job, and then it does the final thing with everything destroyed. Interesting that I reversed the order. So like I was thinking that I would mutate everything in this loop and then get it as immutable here. But instead, I got everything as immutable, ran all the stuff, and then did my mutation after. This is great. This is great. Okay. The ass tool. Cargo build release with the E. Release. I mean, it builds. Okay. So potentially I am now big CPU smashing. This thing is terrifying. This code. Holy. Tokyo, Tokyo. Will it help? I think it will. I think that's the slowest part. When Tommy was running it, he said it was only using like 10% CPU, and like it looked slow, but it looked like it was like it looked like it was like adding files, remove files, add files. So I think that was the slowest part, and potentially it will blast my CPU and blast Roblox and blast the files and blast out the Git. And everyone will be singing songs about my success for all of future. Oh, wait. For all of future. See, it's just like this. For all future, join in happy song. What am I doing? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. What should I do it on? What place? Roadblocks. Area 51. Yes. Okay. Okay, so no longer do I need to do anything insane. I just copy this, go here. I don't even need to change the directory. True. I'm gonna push the code in case my computer freaking dies. Dude, async. I knew it. I knew there would be like a thing that does the thing. Okay. Right. I wanted to know if Tokyo is actually running on multiple cores as well. I apparently it is. Okay. Shh. Okay. So, okay, get asset tool. Asset tool. And then, I don't have a cookie. Should I make a cookie of my account on stream? I feel like that's something I avoid. Maybe I'll do a different place. How many version histories are there for this? Okay, well that's really annoying. Version history. 8,000. There's 8,000. That would take a long time to download the version history pages. If I could go in the other direction, I could do it while it downloads. There is a sort thing on the Roblox thing. I don't know if I want to start the test with 8,000 files. I feel like that's a bit overkill. Yeah, but this requires my super cookie. I'm so curious about version history. Is so interesting. 2,000. What about this one? No. Version history. 1,000. Wow. So much development. Roblox just like has gigabytes of these stupid files. I feel like Area 51 would be a very good test. Might even fail. No way. Okay, I'm gonna just do it. If I get hacked, then that's too bad. Yeah, this is sussy. I'm just gonna do this. How do I do this? Surely nothing prints the cookie, right? Surely. I can just like click log out all cookies if I need to, so. That's a bad idea, actually. Why don't I put it somewhere goofy? Yeah. Okay. Okay, asset tool. cookie file documents. Oh, my cookies. That one. Asset ID is this. Output directory is here. Git commit name quaternions. Git commit 2t's email. We'll just do this thing that's been invisible on stream forever. Decompile history into Git. That's a weird name. It's over. Committer name with 1T. This is scam. Okay, first of all, it's gonna make it, okay. We gotta see like CPU go burr. So skooky. It's so I just feel like I'm gonna get banned. Roblox is gonna IP ban me or something for downloading 7 million files illegally. Press the nuke button. No. It's so scary. It's so okay. Okay, I gotta test it. So. Here we go. Okay, I guess I'll do it. If the stream ends, so be it. It's downloading the history metadata. Which versions exist? Ideally, this would download in the other direction, and it would start downloading the files immediately as well. But when I tried to use the sort parameter, Roblox just returns a server error. So great job, Roblox. This part is well tested. Works fine. I should probably make a version that goes from files. It's so scary. Is it gonna nuke my computer? Who knows? All my code is online. Any second. It's 2000. Oh! Did I just say failed? Oh my, it's going. Single threaded. Boo. I mean, that's going pretty fast. Let's open Merg. History. Okay, where the hell? Roblox Area 51 history. Open. I mean, It's going. Something. Okay. Is it Tokyo? Is Tokyo single threaded? Oh my god. Why is it like deleting 100? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. That was a mistake. Why is there like 200 files changed? Are we like moving around models? I've got no idea for like a benchmark. I feel like it's going fast. How much CPU is it using? Oh, 1 core. And no more. Okay. Maybe it's actually not multi-threaded. The buffering is definitely working. No models true. Well, but it's still... I don't know, man. Okay, what if we do main Tokyo? Oh, default. Does not run as a worker. What the hell does that mean? The expectation is that other tasks are spawned by the function. Awaiting on other features from the function provided here will not perform as fast as those spawned as workers. Does it... Auto spawn? Tokyo spawn. Spawn. Oh. The spawn task may execute on the current thread, or it may be sent to a different thread. Does this spawn one thread, or does it start spawning for every future? it's going so slow. Yeah. Okay, what about... Okay, so... Stream editor. Is there like spawn? So it's a future stream editor. But it's not multi-threaded. Man. I feel like it's fast. I think it's doing a really good job not waiting on IO in like series serially waiting for IO, and like also not serially waiting for downloads. But there's only one CPU core actually decoding files and encoding files. So ideally this goes multi-threaded right here, and this goes multi-threaded right here. Those, I do believe, are the issues. So Tokyo task spawn future like 0% chance this knows what it's doing. So it says that it immediately spawns. So if it returns a join handle, result returning a join handle didn't. What is it doing with those join handles? Why is that a result? Okay, what if we like Interesting. So buffered is like yoinking the join handles? I think I need to buffer it, but I didn't expect this to yoink the join handles. I just want it to like just try going ahead and like immediately start doing this. So what this thing does is it has to complete 32 jobs before it starts. But what I want is it starts 32 jobs and always has 32 jobs going and immediately starts running this stuff as the jobs complete in order. Tokyo, alternative to buffered that starts immediately. Yeah. Just not exactly the same. Pin. Okay, what about Mr. Yat GPT? I would like to change this code. Okay. Using Rust Tokyo, this code buffers. Should I just put 32 futures before beginning calls to F2? How can I edit this so that it immediately starts executing 32 futures of F1 and runs F1 futures in order as soon as they complete. I don't know how to word this. Like, buffer unordered. Yeah. I need Tokyo spawn async move. Really? I need the calls to F2 to be in order and calls to F1 to run ahead since they are downloading and decoding files. God, I just cannot think of, yeah, something. TX, what is the TX? Data channel. No, dude, we're using Tokyo, not freaking data channel. Surely Tokyo has a solution to this rather than using MPSC. You're right. No way. Buffer in unordered. Okay, yeah, GP doesn't know what's going on, and neither do I. Very unfortunate. This is so sad. What OS are you using? Very mysterious, fancy operating system for fancy people who are operating in a fancy way. It's just not using my CPU, man. The best OS in the world. The best. We the best. What does this freaking thing do? Oh my God, bro. What a fun problem. The like async. I really want to like make it start as soon as it gets the first page, but I don't know how to sort it the other way around. Also, I don't have any machinery to like get it going. Async iterator, bruh. Okay, so this is now join handle result. Which I can slam in here and call it a day. Result unknown. No. Okay, what if I do, hey man, it's a me, the type. Something anyhow error. Now it's known. Now I can go into this guy. Join error. Result. Join error. No way. Oh. Okay. Can't we make it live? Can I clone the client? All right, let's clone these bad boys. Send them in. Yerp. Uh-huh. Don't care. Aster. Haha. Yes. Did they go away? How is there no errors? I'm calling this goober function. Okay, so now I need some good old threading going on here. Okay, what about spawn all? Tokyo. Task. Spawn. Future. Wayment. What if do like this? Write queue dot, I guess this dot map Tokyo spawn. So it calls it, it starts going, it makes a join handle, and then we get let future equals this, and then now it's a something or other. It's a thing that is a something join handle. Join handles is a vec of join handle. Join handles. Join handle. Dot join. Is that a real function? Dot join. Dot await? Huh? What up? Missing generics. Unlucky. Couldn't be me. What in the tarnation? result. I do believe we can do like this. Result, bam. Okay, and then dot await? Question mark? Okay, so it didn't, we didn't end. What do you mean await? Why? Surely there's some sort of Tokyo Go do everything function. Surely. Tokyo spawn list of futures. Plus. Abort. So why does it think that they're not all done? Is there Tokyo scope? Tokyo scope. Is this a freaking crate? Good God. Is it real? Made by some boatman guy. Oh my God, bro. It was fine. Okay, so clearly do what? Question marks, man. Oh my God. Join error. Error. Why do you think it is still borrowed as immutable? It's supposed to end right here. Future. Oh my God. What? My. The double question mark is so funny. Oh, wait? Really? Okay, did I do this wrong? So the idea is to send everything to other threads, make it do the stuff, and then wait for all of them to finish. And then all of this. Can I drop write queue after here? Maybe that's what to do. So this is into iter. Hold up. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ready? No! Okay. Okay. What about like this? What about like this? What is? Come on, bro. It's dropped. What do you mean it's immutable bio occurs here? And then it's dropped right here. Right there. It's dropped. I'm dropping the immutable borrow. It's getting dropped. Unborrow. Stop it. Does not live long enough. But maybe that's a hint there. Does not live long enough. 662. 662. Requires that is borrowed for static. That's not good. We need a freaking thread scope. So bad. I thought I had it. Look at it still going. 700 files. It's definitely faster. I wonder if my disk is going to fill up. Free space. Oh, I think we're good. This is so sad. Oh. If a join handle is dropped, it continues. That's bad. Okay, we need to do a different thing then. Not. We need scope. I need like a thing that does all of this but waits for all the jobs and like kills everything. That other one was fantastic. What if I literally just multi-thread? Because, like, I know how to do it. Okay, but they're freaking async awaits. I could make them not async awaits. Yeah, like I could just go like doink. And then oh. Oh, but then it's not a future. Goddamn. Okay. Basically, I'm giving up and just doing it manually. But the stuff is pretty nice. So subfolder, does that go away? Yes. Okay. And then that also. Uh-huh. Okay. So we're going to take all these args. I do believe. I don't remember what they are. Okay, there's going to be something wrong with this, but we'll figure it out. And then for thread in threads, join or something, whatever the hell. And then done. Type annotations, unlucky. Scoped a join handle. Very annoying. Can I just say, hey, just go away? This guy is given a... result, but then it can't do this. Result. Can I just go like, okay. Ooh, type annotations. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Never mind. All right, I'm literally just spawning threads. Okay, where does this break down? I think that there's another call to write files. Wait, it's async? I thought it wasn't async. Oh, it's the inner one. Write item. Oh, this is the only... Okay. What's the question mark? Which question mark where? Oh, this one. This is... Okay, so this is display. The trait display, which is identical to toString. No, that's not true. Okay, toString is a function of the display trait. So it's like, okay, I want to implement a trait. So it's like implement display for my goober. And then I would go like, yes. Within the display trait, there is the toString function. And then I would write, it makes a string, and it's whatever my goober is. And then I go like, yada yada, and it gives us a string. So when you call toString, it necessarily has to okay, I guess not necessarily, but like if it has the okay, there's a lot Rust things are going on, and then this is debug. Oh, it's finished. Oh, no way. That was a lot of. I have a feeling it's very large. 600 files. Untracked files. What? Huh? Oh my god. Template. API key? Did I just see that right? API key. What is Roblox doing, man? Roblox so bad. Holy. So, oh my god, it's so weird. Okay. Okay, what did I do? Double question mark. Does this actually compile? What? Oh my god. I literally am spawning however many threads to write a bunch of files. So bad. 600 threads. This is so bad. It needs okay. Like, I wanted to use the runtime for a reason, is because it's limited to 32 threads. So it'll like go through all the jobs, but only using 32 threads. Instead of like spawning 600 threads and then like you can actually spawn too many threads and get booted away by the OS. OS will be like, stop spawning threads. Kill! And it'll kill you. No way. How does it see? Okay, see this is what I wanted to do, right? Is I wanted a Tokyo thing like this, where like, yes, I'm gonna spawn all these things, then it just kind of manages it, and it just kind of like makes it happen. Scope is like goated. Like when this S goes out of scope, it's over. And that's it. Everything, you just go lifetimes into threads and then back out. And you just like, whoo, whoo, and you're done. You don't need to like, oh no, the thread is going to outlive the main thread. Oh no, the main thread is going to outlive the thread. Oh no, it's, you know for sure, they're all gone. Right here, it's done. Dude, optimization is so fun. Multi-threading is so fun. I love multi-threading. Oh, but it's no longer async here. Dude, I just said ABC and it compiles. So bad. I don't even know what these are. Oh my god. Okay. Subfolder node name override. Write path node name override. All right, actual name. Result. Dude, okay, I literally just chuck this into here so that I can do this. Because in this thing down here, I'm not allowed to use the question mark operator because of like reasons. So I must use this match to like check what the error is doing. So I have a double result here. I don't want to match that. So I just chuck it into the function. I double question mark it inside the function because I am allowed to use the question mark inside the function. And then that question mark leads back out to here. And it's handled by one case, which is everything. No, I can't spawn 600, man. Okay, I have a thing. Let's do get UI. Unstaged changes. Why is it doing like that? Why is there staged changes and unstaged changes? What if I just drop everything? Why is... What incarnation? 500. Okay, what if we do that one? It's Roblox being goofy? Ain't no way. It's all just Roblox being goofy. That's insane. I don't want to run it. I don't want to run it. Okay. Okay, mainly I don't want to run it because I don't have the version asynced. Okay, what if I make a duplicate that uses files? So instead of so this is like download and decompile. This is like the whole beans, all the beans. Download and decompile. And then I can have one called decompile history into Git. And it can be like less insane. Asset ID. So I guess I need an input folder. Download and okay, so basically yeah. So basically it's the same thing, just faster to start. None of that. Asset list equals well, I don't have that code, do I? It'll be in the history thingy. Yeah. Like this. And then, yeah. None of that. Okay, so all we have to do is this. Which is also in the... Did I just close it? Oh my god. Something. And then you do some goofy man buff reader, I do believe. Wait, is this making a buff reader? Dumb. It is. Moved. Oh, I freaking... What? Oh. What? Huh? What do you mean value moved here? Just don't use that value. Captured. No? Oh. Okay, and then this one, yeah. Fair. So, yeah. Holy, what? It just lets it happen. Okay. So it's like, all right. Sounds good to me. Okay, Tokyo. Let's just Tokyo for no freaking reason. Tokyo FS file open dot await. No! Why does your file not have read, you freaking goober? Okay, never mind. Just load it, you goober. Imagine not having read on your files. Oh. Oh, we do a bit of code copying. Okay, so now I can start it immediately instead of waiting for that thing. I can just do it on the like bhop stuff, which is known to be slow, so I can actually test it. Real? Does it build? Okay. Oops. You. Okay, let's review this. Wait, do I have to unstage this? I do. Big beans. Okay, so now I think, yeah, okay. So now I can go like bhop and I'll just make a new one. So actually, yeah, so no cookie needed. I just use the input folder. Cookie. Input is the parent folder. Output is the current folder. My name, my email, decompile history into get. It should just immediately do it. And it should go burr. I got lots of space. Okay, the source is there. All right, bhop history 1. Whoa! Aw, stream did not contain valid UTF-8. Okay, wait, is it using CPU? I mean, it's it's going really damn fast. How much CPU is it using? Oh! It's doing something. What's the speed? Did it crash? What's happening? Oh, it's the get thing. Get is going like, dude, chill. Why is there staged and unstaged files? I mean, that was pretty fast. Oh! Okay. Okay. It's rather quick. Okay, so the big CPU usage was Git. It was like, hold on, buddy, hold on. We need to redo the Git repository. Okay, what was the problem? Right. The problem was the lib is busted. Yeah. So I need to do like this. Because there's, yeah. Okay, it skipped the slow ones. So we didn't actually get to see my thing go mega hard. Okay, I gotta do the thing. Wait, why is that unstaged? Put it in there. Okay, so just skip everything. What's the deal? Cookies JSON. Okay, I need this and this. I just get rid of this. Wait. I don't need JSON. That is request. I don't need it. All right, let's build it again. Oh, that's the libs. Okay. No! Oh. Apparently I do need JSON. Silly me. That's the wrong one. Okay. Do again? 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 Okay, we go like rm r source rm rf get rm template. Okay, and then we run the thing again. I think I'll move this to here because it is fun to watch. How about like this? I just did the Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do it again. But this time, more better. Let's go. And then the CPU usage probably will start picking up. It's very fast. $19, $20, $23. Come on. Oh no, the files are so slow to write. Oh no. Writing the files is just that slow. We hit a bottleneck. File system. I think. That is way faster than before. Okay, what kind of resources is it using? The asset tool is using 15 gigabytes of RAM and 6 cores of CPU. 17 gigabyte. Okay, maybe is it dropping? Surely it's dropping the old place files, right? The RAM. The memory usage isn't going down, but it's not flying up. The place files are getting bigger, and it is holding 32 of them decoded at once. Oh, it did go down. Okay, I think it's just huge. It's so funny that it spawns 600 threads. Are we still in 2015? No, we are like almost through the slow era. Soon to be freed from the big place files. Let's see. Oh no! Uh-oh. The RAM usage. Are you on a Mac? Do I look like I'm on a Mac? So, the memory, is out. I'm out of RAM. Apparently that's okay. Stream is just doing fine. Oh, now it's not doing fine. Now it's doing fine. So the red is kernel CPU usage. So that would be trying to move files in and out of the swap space because it's out of RAM. What is even going on? The asset tool. There was 2 errors ever. Okay, it is way slowing down because of the RAM. I feel like I should lower the count to like 16 or something. I feel like it only needs to decode like 4 place files. Maybe even 8, I don't know. The first 2 errors, yeah, exactly. POV, you're trying to do something. What do you mean trying to do something? I'm accomplishing my explicit task. I've done it. I'm not trying. I've done it. I have created software that automates what I wanted to do. And it's running. I'm just letting it go. It takes a Roblox place file or like asset, looks at all the version history, downloads every version, converts it to a file directory for every single version, and then makes a version history. That's what this is. This is a version history. So it's like, ah, yes, I see you've edited this file. Uh-oh. Oh, it really doesn't like that. Oh, the memory went down. Oh, are we dropping? It's 32 places ahead. Which I could be past the big places. Why did it go down so much? Is the kernel like trying to predict what the memory pressure will be? Oh, there it goes. We passed it. Why is the memory not going down? Okay, maybe it's freeing all the memory. Oh my god. It's not finished. It ended. Okay. So there could be a little memory leak. 1 or 2. Just a memory leak. It's just a memory leak, guys. Okay? Like just get more RAM, okay? Oh no, the memory leaks. How did you write a memory leak? Well, I didn't. It cleaned itself up before that program ended. It's just that while it's running, I didn't intend for it to keep all of those RAMs. Tokyo task spawn. Contents. File open. Surely, okay, what if we do like let file equals, and then file is owned by this file, and then when you drop the file, it closes the file. But what about the contents? Contents goes into here. This is dropped at the end of this scope. Could that be it? Does file use the RAM? Providing access. There's no way that was the problem. There's just no way. All right, I'm going to change this number, but then it's less obvious. Run it again, but there's no way. Because, like, even if it passed this thing in here, it's dropped right here. So oh no, it's actually dropped right here. It gets dropped right here. return. I don't know. It's not in scope. Oh, it's so janky. It is definitely faster. It was like a second rather than 10 seconds per tree. Did it have excuse me, any cores pinned? I don't think it did, right? It was always like God, this thing is cool. Ugh, I just really wanted to use 100% CPU. I think if we had a fully in-memory Git repo thing, it would fly through. The memory leak is not great. It's not great. Well, it's not pinging Roblox anymore, so I don't have fear of getting blasted. What if... Okay, I'm going to look this up. Linux TMP speed. Possibly small. Some systems are mounted as RAM disk. Yes. Arch Linux. That is not correct. It's closer to 340 gigabytes. Okay, well, how big is my big goobers? Okay. Disk usage. 200 megabytes. Okay, here's the plan. MathLink. Huh. Okay. Bake directory / TMP history. So this is potentially fast RAM-based file system. So let's run the git committer on this directory I just made. We have to build it first, don't we? I'm gonna reduce. It's less okay, but there's no way I fixed the bug. 32 is a lot. Let's do 16. But then it's 16. 32 is how many threads? We can just suffer through the RAM again. That's okay. Okay. Uh, can I see it? How do I do that? TMP history. Free space 23 gigabytes. Oh. All right. Go. Oh! Wait. It's so fast. 30. It's going down. Oh my god, so bad. What? Not allowed. No way. Screw you, man. I want to see the thing. Why is that like that? Did... There's no way that fixed it. There's no way. Because like we're not close to the huge ones yet. It could have not been a memory leak at all, and it could just be that having 32 place files open uses 60 gigabytes of RAM. I want to know what version it's on. I want to know how far along it is. I need to print it. Oh my god, bro. Okay, right comment. Okay. Okay. Why does Roblox have all this data saved? So it's not even easily accessible to developers? Because people would scream if they deleted it. This is definitely faster. I say that. And it is definitely RAM limited. So cool. Oh. Whoa. Okay, it's done. All of it. And now the RAM go down. Was that better? Or was it just faster? Sure was fun. I'm having a great time. Oh, now I actually have to make the thing better. Oh. Oh my god, bro. I don't know why it leaves all this junk staged and unstaged. Goofy. probably should clean that up. Figure out why the Git thing is doing that. So cool. So cool, man. It's so cool. So I just don't need this, so I'm gonna actually not do that. I can just clean it up when I restart, which may not be for a while, so maybe I will just delete it. It ran. I was really hoping to see the CPU go to 100%. I thought that the decoding was the slowest, but I think it's the writing of the XML files that's the slowest, and it's limited by the disk bandwidth. Well, okay, no, in this case it's limited by the memory. For those giant files, it was limited by how much RAM I have. Memory. Oh. That's actually not true. It's so it processes them ahead of time. I got no idea what I'm doing. How does this even work? I'm probably doing this in the most backwards way possible, and you can just call one function and it just 100% CPU. Git Oxide. This is active development, but it's just nowhere near usable. You can clone, and that's it. You can't comment. You can't rebase. You can't merge. Linked crate name. What? What this doing? a pleasant and unsurprising developer experience. Is this guy just blasting out millions of comments? Yep. He's like, I want to make Git. And then years. Spying. Redis listener. Bind TCP listener. Redis. Oh. Isn't Redis an in-memory database? Why are you using networking? Oh. Oh, you gotta move. Async move. Yep. I don't know what I'm doing, but sure did make something. Oh, that was all the fun. And now only the properties and like regex is left. Regex. I guess I could rerun. I don't know. Is it a memory leak? Okay, like I don't know a lot about Tokyo and stuff, which is probably why I wrote a memory leak. It's probably a memory leak. It's probably some list of everything somehow. Probably in like the iter, maybe. Probably because it's like this. Yeah, because it's iter map. How about I have a different number? So bad. Run the async. It's not async. Just absolutely chucking threads. Wait, can I just do this? No, it needs to be like that, doesn't it? Damn. Yeah. Hmm. No. Yeah. I'm I'm burnt. That was 3 hours, really? Oh, I forgot. Um I mean, if it's a RAM leak, then this won't matter. And it'll actually only detriment. Does Windows have a temp memory location? Windows. No. Hmm. I guess that's one of the things Linux does better. Oh, I just didn't do enough research, probably. It probably exists. So the changes I wanted to make was oh, I guess I don't it doesn't have a compile thing either. How's the gamers? The who is sending me messages? I just blacklisted. Nice. Now what? Right. I don't actually want to make this the way I want it. Okay, so I'll just write down. Oh yeah, I have to have stupid. Yeah. Okay. I don't think this will help. I mean, it might. I guess I can just try it. Maybe I should like make it way smaller and see if that. See, okay, yeah. I'll make it way smaller. 8. Should still be enough to decode fast enough from what I saw. Okay, let's see. So is it a memory leak or is it just 32 places open? I feel like it's a memory leak. We'll see. This also does only reading. Ooh, this is so much better with the print. So fast. But it was fast before. Thinking. Right. I wanted to switch over to the Strafe client. Right. I was in the middle of something else. I got distracted. This thing is so damn cool. I don't know how to use Tokyo the way that I want to do things. Wait, is it actually using less RAM? Or are we just not there yet? CPU goes up and down. What do the colors mean on the usage? These ones or these ones? Oh, okay, so it used less RAM. So it's not a memory leak. It's just, that's surprising. I thought I was sure I wrote a memory leak. So you can see F1. Oh, XFCE terminal. Okay, just, yeah. So, oops. There's a little guide thing. What happened to the Roblox game? Which one? Bhop game. Is there a problem with it? Buffers. What is buffers? Shared memory. Cache. So cache is like if you're like loading files repeatedly, it'll just keep them in memory in case you're trying to look at them again. I think that's what it is. Did you sell it? Oh, you're just assuming that things change over time. I see. Not everyone, yeah, that was not obvious. Do you have a link for it? Roblox Bhop. Roblox Bhop. That is not it. That is not it. Wiki. Roblox Bhop. That is it. Oh, Mod beat me to it. What is up? A year ago, I published an update that I was working on for 2 years. So I've been working on a new version of the game for 3 years now. That's pretty old news, though. Lately, I've been working on the Strafe client, which is totally new thing. Do I have the, yeah, I do. Totally new Bhop game that I have been making from scratch. Would you ever consider doing this in C++? Probably not. Oh, do you have the context of that I'm doing it in Rust? Or did you just... This is a game engine made from scratch in Rust, just for this game. So yes, I would consider redoing it in a compiled language, and this is that effort. That sounds painful. Why is that? Rust is the most loved programming language ever by a large margin, and for good reason. It's amazing. Writing everything from scratch. I have found it to be conceptually freeing, where before I was like, I wish I could do this, but you can't do that in Roblox. And like, I wish we could do this, but you can't do that in Roblox. Now I have to make everything from scratch, but like I was doing that already. Like I I avoid using Roblox things as much as possible, just because I don't want to. I don't want the game to break when Roblox breaks, and that became so impossible that Roblox just broke to so many times. A lot of the times it was their services, like the HTTP and like models, and the game is down, and it's just, it was really bad. There hasn't been big outages recently, but like it was constant. Like every week Roblox was down. So even though I didn't rely on Roblox's code interfaces to as big of an extent as other things, to the effect of my game working sometimes when other people's games weren't working, that did actually happen, but not often enough to really be worth it, I think, to not use all the Roblox stuff and put all the effort I put into making things from scratch. Really, Roblox is just not where I should be spending my time anymore. It's too limiting, and this is my answer, is making this. And it's going great. It's going to be a phenomenal amount of work to make anything close to the Roblox game that I have built for, what, 9 years? Is that true? Yeah, 9 years. So this is a 5-month-old project, and it's going great. But this is just a physics prototype, and like most of the game is the stuff around that. Most of the game is not just the physics. Like that's most of the game you play is the physics, but like the database and the leaderboards and the UIs and the timers and the bots, that is most of the game. And I don't have any of that. This is very early days, but it's really exciting to be able to think freely and like, oh, this is slow. I'll just spawn a new thread, make it multi-threaded. Oh, you need state? I'll just write it to a file. You just cannot do these things on Roblox. You can't do multi-threading. Well, I guess they did add it, but like, it's weird, and I never tried it. But it's still in Lua, whereas this is a compiled language. So if you look in the top left, you can see that this game is running at 1,300 FPS. Which, have you seen a game run that fast before? This is flat lighting, so it's expected, but you need to have good design to not bottleneck at like 300 FPS or something. So there's just very little in the way of high FPS in the code that I've made. Does having an interpreted language as the primary language really affect performance that much? When you're trying to do everything in it, yes. And like with an engine as limited as Roblox. So trying to have moving objects like you have to C-frame it every single frame, and that's like round tripping to the GPU. Not to the GPU, but like it just has to be in serial with the previous frame. Why did that not jump? And it has to like wait for the GPU to finish getting all the stuff before I can start rendering. Whereas if I'm writing it myself, I can just have like a shader that just generates the coordinates, and it just never communicates or has to wait for anything. And that's another thing is shaders. You can't do that in Roblox. Shaders are going to be very fun, but it's not a huge part of bHop. Bro, imagine compute shaders for some insane like bHop related compute reason. Why would you? What could you do in terms of compute that would be actually relevant to bHop? I feel like it's just totally irrelevant. It just, you don't need that. bHop, every time you mine a Bitcoin. No way. It's just not that kind of game. And yeah, this is a very focused game in terms of features that are not needed. I'll probably fall through the ground here. Oh, I made it. Woo! Ah! Yeah, so you can just kind of go through walls and like stuff. If you try hard enough, you can just kind of go through walls. Which, this is early days, so. Yeah. I'm having a blast making that, and I just want to work on it for the rest of my days. Okay, so this actually impacted memory. So it used... it's running ahead. I mean, okay, optimally, I would have some sort of thing. Yeah, I don't know. 8. That's kind of surprising. I'm surprised that it was actually not a memory leak. I thought I wrote a memory leak for sure. Okay, what going on? Let's do... How much RAM was it using? It was using like 30 gigabytes. So this is... This is a quarter of that. What is that, 8? Which is still a lot. Yeah, I just don't like the buffered thing. Because, like, it waits if there's not that many buffered yet. It should just go. And buffer up to 32. Yeah. 8. It's not as, yeah, 8. I think that's fine. Okay, use less RAM. This actually was real. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on here and get these on master. I guess I can do like this. Oh. And then drop this. And then go here and drop everything else. Yeah. And then also cool. Yeah, this is dumb because it's unlimited. Seems to work. That's so crazy. Threads inside our async runtime. It just like ignores all the Tokyo stuff and just like uses threads. And it just works. It's crazy. All right, there you are. To do is change the format to be the ideas, but I don't want to do that. I kind of want to just quit and go be an ape for a while. Come back on Monday. This is definitely what I wanted to do today. No, actually, yesterday I said I wanted to do a map file format, but I realized that this is the last day to work this week. Well, I mean, I could work on Friday, but file format is like a multi-week project, and I should probably start on Monday and then work on it the whole week. I think I'm just gonna smash everything to master for the Strafe client and just like work on everything at once, because it's not even alpha. It's just unstable. So just work on everything and don't worry about merging and stuff. And it gets fixed as it goes. Decant new version when something is stable. Oh, there's so much to do, and there's so much I just remembered my responsibilities I have to do this weekend. God damn it. My tax form expired for DevX. To submit another tax form. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I feel done. I think I'm done. I'll try to make the map format on Monday. And hopefully it's not as obtuse as the Valve formats. And I can learn about making the map format. I can learn what's slow. What I expect, though, is that it'll make the map loading times way faster because it's reading and decoding so much less obtuse structures. It's just like, all right, this is exactly what we need. Now it's here. And then it's loaded. I want to do a lot of geometry pre-processing as well. And like have a pre-baked index that's like, put this stuff here. This is the final thing for this. And then it doesn't have to like find out what assets have the same textures and stuff. But at the same time, that's dynamically loaded stuff. Where? Oh dear. Game engine. Oh, I have to do this. This is how I end the stream. Yeah. The end. I'll be back on Monday. File format. Maybe I'll also do some of the asset tool work. Goodbye. End the game. Game over.